for the last 6 to 7 months, people are just locked in their home. No one had any chance to travel. So, since the days are progressing, people are getting out of their home and enjoying. And we are also among them only. Just got ready, getting up from sleep. It is around 6:30 in the morning. What a beautiful morning it is. It is near November and the temperature is gradually descending and a perfect morning. Chilly wind is blowing. And finally today we'll be hitting the highway after so many months. Though it will be a short trip for us, but still we will hit the highway this time. So I'm starting my vlog from my balcony itself and just see the view over here. Just check out the view from my balcony. So today is Saturday and we'll be doing a short trip to Bolpur and we'll be exploring Bolpur and showing you all some notable places in Shantiniketan. So that is the plan. So basically we will be going to spend the weekend over there. Hope everyone will like the upcoming videos. Let me see how much I can explore in this tough situation. So welcome back to the vlog everyone. Welcome back to another new travel vlog. After so many videos I am making a travel vlog. So in this video, since I will be going with my parents, so I won't be vlogging too much in the car. While getting out of the car I will borrow because I have to maintain their privacy also. So as much as possible I'll try to vlog and show you the roads and situation of the roads after the lockdown and the picturesque scenery which will come during our road trip. So this is my essential bag with all the laptops, external hard disks and all. So I'm all ready. Now I'll meet you straight on the road. So these are around 100 kilometers from my home. Currently just reached at Shaktigarh. This is a mandatory stop. We won't be having anything over there. We bought our food from our home, cakes, biscuits. Tea also we made it and we'll have it. Just we have stopped to consume and take a bio break. So now we'll be heading towards Shantiniketan. Before that, we'll be going to the Kankalitala. There is a temple near to Bolpur, Shantiniketan. So after visiting Bolpur, stay for today. That is at Shantiniketan. So this is the plan till now. Hope you are all liking the video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. It needs only 1 second to subscribe to the channel. It is totally free. Please do subscribe to the channel. So I am not vlogging too much because I am traveling with family inside the car. So I will show you the scene, the road. Many of you have visited the same road, so it will be a boring scene to vlog inside the car and show you the roads. And it is quite risky. The temperature is around 27 degree today. Quite pleasant weather over here. It is around 9:30. Quite pleasant till now. But the traffic, oh my god, so much traffic on Delhi Road. And this is all the scene. You can see so much of traffic today. And people are just making every traffic rules, rushing here, there. And since it is a weekend, people are just rushing out of their home. They can't resist themselves to travel because for the last 6 to 7 months, people are just locked in their home. No one had any chance to travel. So since the days are progressing, people are getting out of their home and enjoying. And we are also among them only. The place where we stop, Shaktigarh, is famous for a special sweet of this place, Langcha and Mihidana. These are the favorite. These are the special sweets that are being made over here. And because of this food, people stops here and buy langchas and mihidana from here and take them back to their home. Other than that, they also consume food over here, luchi and other vegetable stuffs, vegetable curry. So this is the basic specialty of this place in this area. So we have just reached near Shantiniketan just before Bolpur, and before Bolpur comes this small, quite dense, not that much dense, less dense forest, and this is one of the most, because when I come to Shantiniketan, I just wait for this place to come because you can get so much of good photos clicked over here. So this is the place I was talking about. So just have a look, 360-degree view.
विराट कैंपस ना सर
বিশ্বভারতী ক্যাম্পাস এটা। So just reached Kankalitala temple. So this is quite a famous place near to the Shantiniketan area, but it is not that much explored. No, so here there is a little fair since it is Saturday. There is a little fair or around sitting handwork, handcrafts thing, and others are also being sold over here. So these are small shops by the local people over here. Paintings, handworks as a handicraft items are also sold here. Especially in this area, rural areas like this, in Saturday, there's a special fairs where these types of items are sold, especially in this region. And now have reached the temple over here. The temple is just behind me. That is the temple over there. See, it is believed that some feet was been found under this small pond only. Puja is done. Now we'll be leaving and going to our stay for today, where we will stay for today and tomorrow. So this was the Kankaritala Mandir in Birbhum near Shantiniketan. So finally reached our stay. That is the place where we are staying. So just reached to have our lunch over here. I will be ending my vlog over here. If you like this vlog, do give the video a like. This was totally a random raw vlog. I shooted whatever I can. So let's have our lunch over here, and I will meet you in the next video. Next video I will show you some notable places of Bolpur that you may know, but this is all the scene after lockdown. Anything has been changed after lockdown, so that we will get to see in this Shantiniketan series. Till then, bye bye, and please do subscribe to the channel.